It's time for a savings at Michael's, y'all. Get on over into this store because they got some stuff on sale that will keep some crafting money in your pocket. Completely obsessed in Michael's right now. New in the store, foam letters. $2.99, y'all. $2.99. I am beyond in love with this. I'm snatching up the letter D so we can make something cute. Where are all my fall paper crafters? They have got Craftsmith fall paper pads on sale for $3. Get some of these designs. This is when you want to pick this stuff up, y'all, so that when the fall gets here, you're gonna already have everything you need for card making. Snatch it up. Snatch it up. These Kidology baskets are 40% off. This one I definitely have to get for my niece's basket, and I'm gonna get this for the great price of $3.99. Yes, too cute, too cute. All right, all pegboard accessories are 40% off, from your hooks to your cups, side tray handles, half of that, as well as the big pegboards down at the bottom, y'all, 40% off. Love me some good scrapbook cases. These are great for keeping your screen prints in. They come in a variety of colors. This is also good storage space for all of your bling templates. Great pricing. Obsessed I am with the golden 10-inch plastic aid, $3.99. How cute are those? It's the item of the week. Don't miss it. Y'all know I love a good ribbon for my wreaths. $5.99. Look at all of these gorgeous colors. So many to choose from. I'm in love with that purple. Polka dots, iridescence. Guys, if you're gonna try some springtime wreaths, Michael's got some nice ribbons, all on sale. They also have no shortage of flock bunnies. Look at how cute they are. Normally $16.99. You can get them on sale for 40% off. Look at these colors. I'm in love. And the bigger they get, toward the bottom, they even have little baby ones. Can you see it? Look at how cute they are. So cute. So cute, guys. So adorable. With all these great springtime and Easter savings that Michael's got going on, including that 40% off, I ain't saying to walk. You need to run. Head on into Michael's because crafting is fun, but it's better when you make a little money.